Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. In our series of reaction intermediates, today we'll be covering carbenes and nitrines, a neutral divalent carbon intermediate in which the carbon atom is covalently bonded to two monovalent atoms or groups and has two non-bonding electrons. So here the two monovalent groups are hydrogen atoms. This carbene is called methylene carbene. This is dichlorocarbene. They have two electrons and two monovalent groups. Methylene carbene can be formed by decomposition of either diazomethane or ketene. So in diazomethane, the electrons, when they get transferred to this carbon atom, will result in a negative charge here, and the lone pair of electrons are dislocated to this bond. As a result, a triple bond is formed. Because there is a positive charge on nitrogen atom, these electrons are taken away, resulting in release of nitrogen molecule and formation of methylene carbon CH2 with a lone pair of electrons. Similarly, in case of ketene, the two bond electrons, one pair migrates towards CH2, other one towards carbon of carbon monoxide. So a carbon monoxide molecule is formed and a methylene carbene is formed. Similarly, dichlorocarbene is formed by the action of sodium hydroxide on chloroform CHCl3. So the OH negative ion released by NaOH will take away H of chloroform to form water, and negatively charged CCl3 anion is formed. In this anion, chlorine being more electronegative will take the pair of electrons to itself, thereby getting released as chloride ion, and CCl2 with a lone pair of electron, that is dichlorocarbene, is formed. Can be categorized into two classes, a singlet carbene and a triplet carbene. A singlet carbene is sp2 hybridized. So of the three sp2 hybrid orbitals, two are occupied by bond pairs. The bond is between the carbon atom and a monovalent group. In this case, this is hydrogen. And the third sp2 hybrid contains a pair of electrons with opposite spins, and the unhybridized p orbital is vacant. Whereas in a triplet carbene, the carbon is sp hybridized and the two sp hybrid orbitals are engaged in bonds with monovalent groups. The two unhybridized p orbital contain one electron each and both have the same spin. So when the electrons are present in separate orbitals, it is a triplet carbene, and when the electrons are present in the same orbital, it is singlet carbene. So the difference is, in singlet carbene, the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, whereas in triplet carbene, it is sp hybridized. So in singlet carbene, the two of the three sp2 hybrid orbitals are utilized in forming two covalent bonds, and the third contains a pair of electrons with opposite spin. So the shape is bent structure, and it is represented as CH2 with electrons shown with opposite spins, whereas a triplet is represented with CH2 with electrons showing parallel spins, and the carbon atom is sp hybridized. The two hybridized orbitals are involved in bond formation, whereas the two unhybridized p orbitals contain one electron each. This kind of a triplet carbene is also known as biradical because each of the unhybridized orbital contains one electron each. The carbenes, because they are electron deficient species, have in all 6 electrons, and they are reactive in nature in order to complete their octet. Now, triplet carbene is more stable than the singlet carbene because it contains electrons in separate orbitals. Nitrines are the reaction intermediates which are neutral in nature, and the nitrogen atom will have two lone pair of electrons and it is bonded to a monovalent atom or group. So alkyl nitrene is formed by thermal decomposition of alkyl azide. So azide containing 3 nitrogen atoms. Of these, there is a migration of one of the pair of electrons to the nitrogen atom, resulting in a single bond here, and the lone pair electrons move to this side, resulting in a triple bond here. These electrons are also lost and nitrogen is released, resulting in formation of alkyl nitrate. From the photolysis of alkyl isocyanate, a nitrate can be formed. The isocyanate group contains a pair of bonds. The electrons of one of the bond moves to carbon and the other bond moves to nitrogen, resulting in formation of alkyl nitrene and carbon monoxide. Nitrines also exist in singlet as well as triplet states, and again the triplet state is more stable because the electrons are present in two separate orbitals. These are also electron deficient species and therefore highly reactive in nature. Carbenes and nitrines are reaction intermediates, reactive in nature, and immediately react to form products. That's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.